I think it tastes so good. I can't tell you why, but it tastes amazing!
Hello, food lover! Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Miri.
Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Miri. So today we're going to make a Cameroon Gateau, and these are the stuff that we're going to use to make the gateau. We have the gold medal flour, which is all purpose. We have the sugar here. We have almond milk. We chose to use almond milk, is optional. And we have egg here. We have unsweetened butter. We have a baking powder. We have nut milk, and then we have salt here. This is a cup that we're going to be using. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is 6 cups flour, and we're going to use this. We're going to be using 1 cup of sugar for the 6 cups of flour. So we're going to mix the flour with the sugar all together before we add before we go in with baking powder, salt, or nut milk. Yeah, I'll continue to mix it until the sugar and the flour until you have a smoother texture. So the sugar and the flour is completely mixed now. So we're going to come in with the nut milk. Okay. So we're going to add nut milk and baking powder now. So I'm using 2 quarter of nut milk. I put it in the sieve because I want to get all the lumps out of it. It's the baking powder now. You see the reason why we have to sieve the baking powder? Look at the lumps that came out of it. I'm mixing everything together. I'm going in with my salt. I'm going to introduce the egg. Now the egg is completely mixed with the flour now. And then I'm going to come in now with my butter, or sweetened butter. I'm going to use 1.5 stick of the butter. So now it is fully mixed. I'm going to now go in with the milk. This is the milk. Here is another 1/2 cup of milk. So I'm going to continue to mix this until I achieve a smooth texture. Now we're going to transfer it on the flat surface. finally, this is the end product of the dough. It's fully mixed, and I'm going to walk you through how you roll it before putting it into the vegetable for oil for frying. Okay. So this is how we do it. And you're going to repeat the process until you're done forming the gâteau.
I think it tastes so good. I can't even why, but it tastes amazing.